Hi there, and welcome to Inehub. Are you ready to cash out your crypto securely and hassle-free? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to withdraw your funds using Binance P2P. Whether you're new to P2P trading or just looking for a quick guide, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's jump right in. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. First, convert to the currency you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw USDT. For this, I use Binance Convert to convert FDUSD to USDT. All money needed to be withdrawn must be deposited in the funding account. Now press the P2P button under Trade. I want to withdraw money, so I press the Sell button. Select your country's currency, then select the method you want to receive the money. I want to receive the money via bank transfer, and select your country. Specify the payment method you want to withdraw in this field and filter. Now you can see the people who match you in the list. Now choose one person you like. When choosing person, how many orders have they placed? What is the feedback percentage? How long does it take to pay? Be careful about these things. Choose the people who offer the highest price for 1 USDT. Press the Sell button in front of the person you selected. Specify the amount of money you want to withdraw and select the bank account from which you want to receive the money. If you haven't already entered your bank account information, click plus and enter the information for the bank account you want to receive the money from. Now click Sell button. The person will credit your account in a few moments. Please wait a moment for the money to be credited. Only use the chat provided through Binance to connect with that person. You will be notified once the person has deposited money into your account. The Payment Received button will then be enabled. Now, check carefully to see if the money has been credited to your account. Once the amount has been credited to your account, click the Payment Received button. If you don't receive money, never give your money away. You will have to enter your password when releasing your money. Finally, give him feedback based on his service. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can withdraw your funds securely using Binance P2P. Remember to always verify your payments and stay safe during transactions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Inehub for more expert crypto guides, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Have questions or tips to share? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!